One of the great things about Elementor is that I can now go in here, give this project or give the website to your client, and they can now go in and add in all the information they have to, and it's every single page is going to look exactly like this. So let's just do some testing and let's add some content. So now we've added all our content, we've added our project type. I'm now just going to click publish and let's see if everything is working. So here we are. I scroll down. We've got our information. We have our images. We have our slider and we have our testimonial. Now, one important thing that didn't work was this section here. Can you see on our original project, I've only got web design, but then on here, I've got all of them showing up here. And that's because on our listing project, and also look here, we've got our client, but we've got me in lowercase, okay? So these are things that we can now go into one template and we can just fix this. So I can go here and go back to style and uppercase it, make sure that that's all working. And here I can see all this probably isn't going to work because it's so big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down the size of that to maybe a 35 instead and make sure that that's uppercase. Can update that. Now if I look at this project and I refresh it, we have this, okay? Another thing that I might do is just move this over so then we have more space. I think I might move this here and move this over here, because if anything, the name is going to be longer than the country or possibly the date. And even here, we can change the format of this. Even if we wanted, we could change the format of this. So instead of it saying December, we can just use a capital M instead. So if I put M, that looks better than the whole thing, right? And it saves us some space as well, so we can move that over as well. Okay, so that should be fine. Let's update that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that and refresh this. Yep, again, I think this is still too big. So I'm gonna drag this down a little bit more. Okay. And now let's deal with this section here, because this is showing all of the categories, but we only want it to show the category that our website or this project belongs to. So if we go back to the project and we click here, to change this, what you want to do is come where it says terms query and get terms of post. We just want to type in the current ID, so it would be a percentage, current ID percentage, okay? And now you can see it's only choosing web design. If I wanted to have a look and see what another project looked like, which was the Windows, we can just click on that one, apply and preview. And as you could see, when we scroll down, it's only showing the relevant ones, okay? So that's exactly how we want it to look.